Let's get started. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Please drop a like on the video. It'll be very good and very nice if you could just subscribe to the channel. Please just drop a subscribe, right? Don't miss it. It's very free, very cheap, economical. Subscribe to the channel, please. My name is Rome, and with all the pleasantries finished and dust, let's get going. What the fuck did we just see? Manchester United lose 3-2 to Galatasaray in a game that shouldn't have been 3-2. It's 3-2. 3 goals who shouldn't have scored no time at all. You would think that we have a lot of highs and lows in the game, and this game shouldn't have been 3-2 under no fucking circumstances. Yet Manchester United managed to lose 3-2. I lose my head supporting Manchester United. I use my noggin supporting Manchester United. It is mad to see what's going on at Manchester United at the moment. Very mad. And we need some sort of, we need something. What the fuck did we just see? Onana. Fucking Onana, fam. What the fuck are you doing with a pass like that in a game like this? A pass like that in a game like this, bro. What the fuck are you doing, fam? What the fuck are you doing? Please tell me. I don't know. I am confused as fuck. Let me Casemiro get a red card. Let me Casemiro get a red card. Let me Casemiro get a red card. A tackle like that in a game like this. What the actual fuck, Onana? What the actual fuck? What the fuck did we just see? Chances galore just go up begging. Chances galore. Chances are galore gonna begging. For what reason, I don't know. Garnacho, you get a chance. That's the score. Created a chance of your own. Good dribble. Created a chance. That's the score. That's for blood clot score. Casemiro back post. That's the score. So many chances. So many fuck. And they miss a penalty, you know? They miss a bumbo crack. What the fuck did we just see? Ten Hag, you're getting risky. Hey, Ten Hag, you're getting fucking risky. You're getting fucking risky at the moment, fam. I know results not going your way. I know the injuries not going your way. But fam, you need to set up the team. Oh my god! What the fuck did we just see? Rasmus Holland, 2 brilliant, well-taken goals. Rashford with the cross of the first one, and that second goal for it. That second fucking goal. What a dribble. The keeper, the defender couldn't hold on for him under no circumstances. What a goal that was. Good goal. That's the only fucking practice he will get. Everybody else has been shit. Oh my god, you man has been Eric Ten Hag. You guys need to do better. Second half was complete and utter shambles. Complete and utter fucking shambles. What the fuck did we just see? Ericsson, you came on and you did your thing, fam. You were pushing the ball left, right, and center, passing some good balls. You made that pass to Rashford. How the fuck Rashford not score that? I keep the ball right. Oh my, you know what? It's done. Me done. Me stop talk about football. I'll see you guys next game. Just drop a subscribe. What the fuck ever, yo. What the fuck ever, fam.